Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Analysis.com YouTube channel. Today is Friday, April 7 and the time is 2 a.m. GMT. Today we're going to be looking at the chart of gold. This is a 60-minute chart. Now we can see right here we are within the wave 5 higher, and within the wave 5 we subdivided into another 5 waves. We finished with 1, with 2. Now we are looking to complete with 3 with another possible 5 wave subdivision. So looking for one more push to finish that with 5 of 3. From there we should be getting this pullback and then higher again to finish with 5 of 5. Now so the right side is green and up, meaning we do like more upside. We don't like selling in whatever form, right? Even if the chart is calling for more downside, we don't like selling. We only like the upside here in gold against 1933 in the shorter cycle. Now a couple of other options, for example, in the very short term, let's suppose for now instead of going up, let's say go down. Then if that's the case, then actually you can just place the position of the WX a little bit differently, and then you can actually measure the target on the downside easily, right? The 100%, 161.8. Now this is gonna be, actually if it goes down, this will become a very good area to find buyers, because that will be your extreme area, WXY equal leg. So between 1997, 1983, we should be able to find buyers from here and extend higher, or at least rally in 3 waves, right? So depending whether or not we will be looking to extend higher or to pull back, that will be basically giving us a clue whether we can find another support. So if it pulls back again, we're gonna find support right here. Otherwise we can go higher and breaks the new high first before we got another 3 days pullback again. Alright, now zooming out on the daily time frame, you can see right here this 5 ways up that we're talking about in the red here. Let me copy this. Okay, that is actually this move up from this cycle here from February 28, right? So that's the 5 ways up that we are looking at, and that 5 ways up, once it is complete, right? Once it is complete, it should be going, it should do a 3 days pullback to correct that cycle, right? So, but if I zoom out on the daily, you notice here we got another low in September last year, right? September 28 last year, and you notice a clear high sequence since we bottom in September 28. This being the biggest sort of swing down or pullback, that will become our what we call connector, right? So if you just simply forecast an extension or project an extension, you can see we can easily go to 2150, or if it goes to 1.618 because it's wave 3, you can go to 2300. So that will be sort of the next target. So you can see in the sequences actually bullish, and you can see that's why the right side is up, which is bullish. So when sequence is bullish, what you need to do is you are not trying to sell, because if the trend or the sequence is bullish, it can always extend and open up a more aggressive count, right? And that's why we shouldn't try to time the peak and try to sell when the sequence is clearly bullish and incomplete, like in this case incomplete, because we have not reached the minimum 100%, or it can even go much more than 100%. Okay, so for now simply say that if we can see any kind of pullback, you can see in the structure of the pullback here clearly corrective as well. It's not an impulse. So this is already telling us with this little move down here that this is a bullish market, because the structure of the pullback is only a corrective structure. Okay, so so that's the update for today, guys. Basically we are bullish against 1933 and continues to go higher. And as always, if you want to get more updates, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial. The link is in the description of the video. See you all again next week, and have a nice weekend, everyone.